Hey everyone, it's your old pal Captain Cook, here to show you how to make a delicious lentil soup that'll warm you right up on a chilly night. Let's gather our ingredients. A cup of dried lentils, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 4 cloves of garlic, a can of diced tomatoes, 6 cups of vegetable broth, and a handful of fresh spinach. For spices, we'll use a teaspoon each of cumin and paprika, and salt and pepper to your liking. Let's get started. Heat some olive oil in a big pot. Throw in your chopped onion, carrots and celery and cook them until they're soft and smell amazing. Add your minced garlic and cook for another minute. Can you smell that? That's the smell of something delicious coming together. Next, add your lentils, diced tomatoes and vegetable broth. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 30 minutes, or until the lentils are soft. While that's cooking, let me tell you a little secret. Lentil soup has been around for ages. It's full of protein and fiber, which makes it a super healthy and filling meal. Once your lentils are nice and soft, stir in the spinach and let it wilt down. Add your cumin, paprika, salt and pepper and give it a taste to make sure it's perfect. Ladle your soup into bowls and there you have it. A warm and comforting lentil soup to keep you cozy on a cold night. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.